There are so many benefits to owning a home. One is that you can take out a HELOC, also known as a home equity line of credit. So HELOC is you taking out a loan on your home existing equity. The money that you get from a HELOC, you can spend on whatever you want. If you want to pay a high interest credit card, if you want to remodel your home, whatever you want to pay for, you can use that money towards that. You don't have to pay back what you spend, nothing extra. It's essentially you becoming your own bank. Other people would like to take out a HELOC versus refinancing their home because it does not affect their mortgage at all. HELOCs are safe, easy, and offer competitive rates. So tap the link right now to see if you qualify for a home equity line of credit.